Okay. Hello everybody, welcome back
Hey guys.
to the channel. Just Paul here again and Nikki here. He's hiding over there.
Come on over,
He's
Nikki.
also wearing the Korean clothes. He also wears Korean clothes. Okay, then just say I wake up. He wants to say something in Korean. Right, you
I
say?
hear footsteps.
Footstep?
Okay. Yes, I have some things that I need to get off my chest. Some confessions to make. Some Korean confessions.
He wants to say this to all the Korean
These
people.
are my confessions.
He wants every Korean knows that you know what he wants to say.
Do you know what this means, Nikki?
No, I can't read Korean.
Okay. Good, because I don't know how to read Korean either, but I know how to read this.
Okay.
Ready? My first confession is Ya'au nya utita beba. Well, Nikki knows because he's laughing. He's pretending he doesn't know. Yeah, what did I say, Nikki?
I don't know.
Okay, I'll say it again. Ya'au nya utita beba. Paul, what did I say? Because Nikki doesn't know how to speak Korean.
I'm not gonna say it.
Why?
It means you can't. You don't want to eat the fish paste.
Oh, well, it's not very funny.
I'm gonna translate that real quick. But the way you say it is funny.
Okay. Ya me ja be ma. Ya me ja be ma. Ya me ja be ma. I can't say it too loud because the kids are sleeping. They got the baby sleeping in the back. Don't want to wake the baby up now. Okay. And what does that mean, Nikki?
You like fried rice?
Oh, I do like fried rice. Ya me ja be ma. Ye ba ta les le Thailand. Ye ba ta les le Thailand. That means I want to go to Thailand. And I only know that because the last word's Thailand. Ye e dos malo knya klo. Ye e dos ma lo e nya klo. What does that mean?
You want to learn Korean,
I want to learn Korean.
right?
Well, I don't see a word down here that says Korean, bro.
Knyoklo is Korean language. Knyoklo.
Oh, Korean people. Ywa sho ge pwa knya. Ywa sho ge pwa knya. Ywa sho ge pwa knya. And that means Korean people. And I only know that because Korean people
God
is the word.
bless Wakanya. God bless Korean people.
Okay. Ya e pwa knya. Ya e pwa knya. Taku leti bana. Taku leti bana. And Paul told me to not say banana. Ya e na le sakriyata e. Ya e na lo sakriyata e. Ya e na lo sakriyata e. I can't remember the ending right now. What was the ending? Here, what's the song? What's the rest of the song?
I don't know.
Paul doesn't know either, because we only know that part, I guess. Potate un sutu mo dwopaler.
It's a Bible verse.
Potate un sutu mo dupaler.
I know. Yeah. See, finish.
Well, there's a ringing in the background. I don't want it in the video.
That's fine.
Okay. Kasa apu turke agedi. Kasa apu turke agedi. Make it a song. It's gonna be the next hit song right there. Kasa apu turka ke agedi. Tane me a ta alola. And what does all that mean? All this stuff here.
It means all the children listen to your parents.
Yes, children, listen to your parents. Nikki.
Therefore, it's the truth. It is the truth.
Aye pe su aser do kui aser. Potun.
So put the
So put the. Epe su aser do ku aser potu. What does that mean?
that's the verse. It pursue verse 6 and chapter 6 verse 1.
Okay. Yermane dodala ea koe.
Koe.
No, not koe. K-O-E-S ko. K-O-E-S ko.
Ko ne yer e a pa do.
What?
It's a B and a D put
Yeah,
together.
that's do. That's D.
Looks like an A.
She drew a B and then she crossed it into a D somehow. Yermane do tala e a ko ne yer e au pado. Pado. What does that mean, Nikki?
What does it mean, Nikki?
Nikki's pretending he doesn't know Quran, but that's all they speak upstairs. And then he comes down here and he forgets Quran.
Okay, what else?
Your po o ki ga a po mu pla po.
Da.
What da?
D-A-W.
Okay, it looks like a P. And this one, instead of this one being a B, this one's a P. A P looks like po qua. Pakwa, pakwa, pakwa. It means something about the youngest child. Your po a ki ga a po mu da a po qua. What does that mean?
You have 2 kids and apa mida pakwa,
Okay, pourquoi?
boy and girl.
Yirmi poi te poi kalawa klo turba a ba.
It means you say it again.
Yirmi poi te poi kalawa klo turba a ba.
I mean your mother and father-in-law don't speak a lot of English.
Oh no,
Huh?
they don't. Muter nine yerbata les leur poi knya ko.
What day you want to go to? Say you want to go to Korean state, Korean country.
Muter nina yerbata les leur poi knya ko. And that's all we got on the list here. So how did I do? Oh, no, there's a back page, Nikki. Uh-oh, there's more. There's more. Sorry, guys.
How do you do? How did this do? He's doing good. You guys understand him?
I feel strong now. I can break out of my shell. Okay. Yurti yur ka na poi
Ne,
ne a ma.
poa e ama, poa he ama.
Yurti yur ka nya.
Like hey.
Yurti yur ka ne poi ne a. He
Ama.
poi he. Yurti yur ka ne poi he a ma. What does that mean?
I mean, your country is a lot of people come to your country.
Everyone wants to come to our country. Okay, what's left? Poi, knya, a, ya, u, ti, na ne news u
Ne-u.
news u
Stink. Ne-u.
ye a ter ba be ba lur bata wa.
Yeah.
Oh, year.
You better boy.
What does all that mean?
You wanna throw up?
Pwa knya a nya uti ne nu do ma year a ter be ba year bata bwa bwa bwa. Okay. Pwa nya a nya pwa knya a nya uti ne Nyo do ma year after beba year bata wow. Wow.
Wow.
Yeah, what I gotta say is the Karen language has a bunch of tongue twisters. Usually, some languages like Spanish, words just roll off your tongue, easy to say. Not Karen. They like to make things very difficult to say. Very hard tongue twisters.
It's not
Your tongue's
difficult.
going this way while your word's going that way.
It's not difficult.
Well, those don't really, not easy to say it. My mouth is stretched and exhausted from speaking Karen. I'll say that much. They're used to it. That's why they got big. That's why Karen people have big, wide jaws. Got a lot to say, like a shark.
A big jaw.
Gotta have a big jaw, a lot of exercise, strong mouth. They have a strong mouth to be able to speak Karen.
Say it again.
That's a lot.
No.
Okay.
The last one.
That's a long one. Pwa knya a nya uti ne nuzu. Pwa knya a nya uti ne nu do ma ye a te beba ye ba ta wow.
Wow.
Okay.
I'm exhausted, trust me. This is very exhausting. I'm sweating from that workout. It's a workout. Yeah, I'm out of breath. That's natural. Can Nikki see all this now? Nikki's turn.
Nikki, we're
Say-
gonna. Nikki, yeah.
Say that one.
Nikki, say.
Say something.
Yeah. Yeah, he's born in America, so he doesn't speak much Korean. So
But that's all that you guys speak up there is Korean, so he should speak Korean.
yeah, he
Because that's all.
speaks some,
Your
but
parents don't
not
speak
like
English to him.
but
Your
not
parents
like,
speak
you know.
Korean to him.
I do speak to him in Korean most of the time.
Yeah, and your parents only speak to him in Korean, so he should know how to speak Korean.
Yeah, but he doesn't.
It doesn't make sense. I don't get it.
You write it in Korean. He doesn't know Korean
But this is not written in Korean. This is written in English.
because you don't really make a time to
This
teach
is
him.
not the
And
Korean
you
symbols.
don't live in a Korean community where everybody speaks,
It's not written in Korean. It's written in English language. But I guess he is in elementary school, so
Nikki say,
reading might be hard for him.
alright, okay,
being in
Nikki,
elementary school.
only say the last part here.
It's hard enough for me.
For,
But I did fail first grade because I can't read.
okay.
That's right. They're sleeping.
Alright.
T ye kane pwa
Heh.
he a
Ma.
ma poken pop poken
Mm-hmm.
nya
Say it out loud. The camera will hear you.
I don't
Yeah.
think the camera did hear.
nya o ti ne na u do ma ye a de bo ba
The baby.
beba
No, it's your Bob. Da.
That.
Paul also needs
Wow.
to fix her handwriting because it's hard to read what she's writing. Letters don't look the way they're supposed to. Like the Y looks like an L,
Okay. So you guys understand?
and the E is a
You
C.
guys
Wow.
have a good time. Are you guys laughing? So
This video is for
leave
your
in the
entertainment.
comments. So see how you guys think.
That was amazing.
This video is for your entertainment because a lot of Korean people like to see me butcher up a lot of words. It's funny for Paul, so she wants you to see how bad my butchering is.
Okay. Oh, Willy KK nè.
Wali kakain.
Được đây là mà.
Bilama.
Okay. We're gonna make a thumbnail.
What?
Come on. Smile, make a sneaky.
What's a thumbnail?
Look at Hidden smile.
She says it's a
Lick.
thumbnail, but then when she makes the video, she puts it in the video. It's not a thumbnail. This is part of the video. She does this.
Oh, look at Hidden smile.
What?
Okay. Bye bye.